Hello, welcome. Today I have another ink sample review for you. And this one is by Monteverde and it's called Copper Noir. And we're going to go ahead and do a test of it real quick. So let's go ahead and make the swatch. Alright, it's very pretty colors so far. Kind of a coppery brown maybe. It's very pretty. And then let's go ahead and I think, I think we need a little bit more in here. I'll just add a little extra. Okay, now let's go ahead and write the name. There we go. All right, I'm going to put this under a fan to dry. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So here is some copy paper. I always like to test the inks out on copy paper as well because sometimes you're in a situation where maybe you can't use your nicer paper and maybe you're at school or work or something and you just want to know if the ink will behave itself. All right, there we go. That's how it looks so far. We'll give it a minute to dry. Let's test this out on some HP 32 paper. And HP 32 paper is also a type of copy paper, but it's smoother and it tends to show off some of the ink's properties for certain inks. So I always like to do a test with this. It's a good middle of the road budget friendly option. And if there are any inks that you would like to see me review, leave a comment or a suggestion, and if I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll make a video of it. That's how it looks so far. Really pretty color brown. All right. And this is Tomoe River paper, and Tomoe River is another very nice paper. It's very smooth. It also resists the ink really well. And very often it will do the best job of showing off the different qualities of the ink. And if you like these videos at all, or if they're helpful to you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And it also helps me out a lot. All right, there we go. That's how that's looking. I'm going to go ahead and check on the swatch and see if it's dry. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here's how these turned out. Here's how it looks on the copy paper. It looks okay. There is a tiny bit of feathering, but it's a really pretty coppery brown color. And on the HP 32, it did much better. No feathering, of course, and it's a really rich color here on these swatches compared to here. And there's a lot of shading there in the writing. So if you like a brown ink with some shading, this would be a very nice option. Here it is on the Tomoe River, and just like on the HP 32, there is some shading as well. You kind of see it there. And up here on these swatches, there's these dark outlines. So there's definitely a good amount of shading in this ink. Very, very pretty. And then here's how the swatch turned out. And here you can see that really dark color up here where I made the ink a little bit heavier. That dark color I thought might have been a sheen, but it's not. It's just darker. It's a really pretty kind of a lighter brown up here in just the way it darkens as it gets, the ink is heavier. It's just really, really pretty. The range, I guess what I'm trying to say is the range of browns, and this is very, very pretty, just the light to dark. Very, very nice color. So that's how it looks with the writing down there. Very nice with the shading, very pretty color. I'll see if I can find a link for this to leave down below for you, and thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.